As a homeowner in Miami Beach, you're no stranger to the challenges posed by the tropical climate, from sweltering heat to heavy rains and hurricanes. While you may have your air conditioning cranked up during the summer or a fan blowing during the rainy season, one of the most effective ways to improve the comfort and efficiency of your home is through window replacement. Replacing outdated or inefficient windows offers numerous benefits, ranging from increased energy efficiency to enhanced security and curb appeal. Here's a closer look at the many benefits of window replacement for Miami Beach homeowners and why it's a smart investment for your property. Improved energy efficiency. Miami Beach is known for its hot and humid climate, which often leads to high energy bills as air conditioning units work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, can allow significant heat and air conditioning to escape, making it harder to maintain an energy-efficient home. Window replacement offers an excellent opportunity to upgrade to energy-efficient windows that help regulate the temperature inside your home more effectively. Modern windows, such as those with double or triple glazing, provide better insulation and reduce the amount of heat that enters during the summer and escapes during the winter. Additionally, many new windows feature low-E coatings, which reflect heat away from your home, keeping your interiors cooler and reducing the reliance on air conditioning. This upgrade will not only make your home more comfortable but will also lead to long-term savings on your energy bills. Increased comfort and temperature regulation. The high humidity levels in Miami Beach can often result in uncomfortable, sticky indoor environments. In addition to making your air conditioning work harder, humidity can also make your home feel less comfortable overall. By replacing old, inefficient windows with new, well-sealed models, you can significantly reduce drafts and improve your home's overall insulation. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and creates a more comfortable living environment, especially during the sweltering summer months. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to keep cool air in and outdoor humidity out, providing a better indoor climate year-round. By reducing the temperature fluctuations caused by drafty windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable home, whether you're lounging in your living room or hosting a summer barbecue in your backyard. Protection from the elements. Miami Beach is prone to severe weather, including tropical storms and hurricanes, and protecting your home from these threats is essential. Hurricane impact windows are specifically designed to withstand high winds and flying debris during storms, keeping your home and loved ones safe. These windows are made with reinforced frames and laminated glass that can absorb impacts and prevent the glass from shattering. Aside from storm protection, impact windows also offer added security. They make it more difficult for burglars to break into your home, providing peace of mind when you're away on vacation or at work. By upgrading to impact-resistant windows, you're investing in your home's safety and durability, which is especially important in a coastal area like Miami Beach. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. The appearance of your home's exterior is important, whether you're looking to improve your property's aesthetic or are preparing to sell. New windows can drastically enhance your home's curb appeal, giving it a modern, sleek look. If your current windows are worn, outdated, or mismatched, replacing them with newer, more stylish windows can elevate your home's overall design. Modern window styles such as casement windows, picture windows, or sliding windows offer both functionality and beauty. Choosing windows that complement the architectural style of your home can give your property a refreshed, polished appearance. For homeowners looking to sell, new windows can also increase your home's value, making it more appealing to prospective buyers who are looking for a home with energy-efficient features and minimal maintenance. Noise reduction. Living in Miami Beach often means dealing with external noise, whether from traffic, busy streets, or the sounds of nearby construction. Older windows, particularly those with single glazing, tend to let noise in, creating a less than ideal living environment, especially if you're near a bustling area. Window replacement offers a solution to this problem with modern double or triple glazed windows that are designed to reduce noise transmission. The extra layers of glass and gas insulation between the panes help block out external sounds, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you're working from home, relaxing, or trying to sleep, noise-reducing windows create a more serene space and improve your quality of life. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, including repainting, repairing damaged frames, or replacing worn-out weather stripping. These maintenance tasks can be time-consuming and costly. With window replacement, you can opt for materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which require little to no maintenance over the years. These materials are highly durable, resistant to weathering, and don't need to be painted or treated regularly. New windows are also designed to resist damage from the elements, such as salt air from the ocean and high humidity, which can cause deterioration over time. This means less upkeep for you and a longer lifespan for your windows. Tax incentives and rebates. Depending on your location and the type of windows you install, you may be eligible for tax incentives or rebates for choosing energy-efficient products. Many energy-efficient windows come with Energy Star certification, which can make you eligible for local, state, or federal tax credits or rebates. This can help offset the initial investment in new windows, making them even more affordable in the long run. Conclusion. Window replacement is one of the most valuable upgrades you can make as a Miami Beach homeowner. From improving your home's energy efficiency and comfort to enhancing its curb appeal and security, new windows offer a range of benefits that go beyond just looks. By choosing impact-resistant windows, you can also protect your home from severe weather and increase its overall durability. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, increase property value, or simply enjoy a more comfortable living environment, window replacement in Miami Beach is an investment that pays off in many ways.